Take me where the river flows. Oh, I don't need to know. Carries morning light, painting dreams across the sky. I watch the colors slowly change as another day comes alive. My little tent beside the shore, a quiet night beneath the stars. No noise, no rush, no crowded streets, just the river, just my heart. Every wave, every breeze brings a little peace to me. I'm drifting with the Danube, slowly through the morning light, looking at the endless water, looking at the endless sky. Nothing knows me, nothing calls, only freedom, that's enough. I'm drifting with the Danube, and I finally feel alive. I walk barefoot by the shoreline, morning coffee in my hand. Every sunrise tells a story only nature understands. Boats keep coming, boats keep going, like the moments in my life. I don't chase them, I just watch them, floating softly with the tide. Yesterday can stay behind, tomorrow doesn't need my mind. This moment, this sunrise, this river is enough. I'm drifting with the Danube, floating with the golden light, watching clouds above the water. Everything just feels so right. No destination, no disguise, just an open heart beneath these skies. I'm drifting with the Danube, and my soul has finally come home. The river flows, the morning knows I'm exactly where I need to be.